So friends, if you have your bank account in Union Bank of India and you want to know how to check IFSC code in Vyom app, then this video is for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. So the very first thing you have to do is just simply open Vyom application in your mobile phone. It doesn't matter if you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, the process is going to be same. Once you open the application, just simply tap on login option, enter your login pin or just scan your fingerprint and complete the login process. Once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. Now, to check your IFSC code, all you have to do is you just have to go to saving account page, and for that there are two ways. First is on the home page itself. If you get an option of saving account, just simply tap on that and it will take you to savings account page over here. So you can see this is the savings account page. Now this was the first way to come to this particular page. Other way is on the home page itself, you get an accounts option over here at the bottom. Select accounts, and in operative accounts, select saving account like this and tap on your account. So now you can see we are back on the savings account page. Now you get multiple options over here. Make sure you select details option because the account details will be mentioned in details. At the top, you can check out your account number. Just simply tap on this I option to see the account number. Balance is already visible. Now in details, you will be able to check out customer name, which is your name. You can check out the account type. You can check out the status. Currently, the status is active, obviously. If you go down, again, you will be able to check out your account name. You can check out your branch address, and over here, you will be able to see IFSC code. So yeah, this is how simple it is to check IFSC code in Vyom application, which is from Union Bank of India. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.